Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to look at the total market cap and I'll look at Ethereum as well. I have quite big trades open on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Big announcements yesterday was MCRT updated the circulating supply. So if you're in that project, check it out. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technicals. Bitcoin was back a little bit yesterday, and I also bought a lot of Tesla. If you followed my join button, if you're part of the YouTube membership, this is Bitcoin on the longer term timeframes. Look on the weekly. Volume is still growing. Volume predicts price. We still have that weekly doji candle. Each of these charts represents Bitcoin on the weekly. So this candle you saw last week reached 73,000. So you're looking at Bitcoin price move over time. Third to fourth wave, in my opinion, has finished now with this correction. It could still come down possibly. Let's see how. We already came down to 61. So it does look like third to fourth wave could have already finished. Let's look at the indicator bots. Crypto Guru bot fired a blue buy back in February 2023. Still blue buy now. Hasn't fired a red sell. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell at 48K ETF. Didn't fire a buy. Let's go closer onto the daily. And let's get rid of lines that we don't need. 52. I don't think we come down to 52. 56 would hold if we broke here, I think. Stochastic quite oversold. Volume is growing again, but it does look like just the head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. I'm in a trade on Bitcoin, but it can easily pull back to 53, 52K. Crypto Guru bot fired a blue buy on the daily from 45K. Hasn't fired a red sell. Bitcoin indicator bot on the short-term timeframes fires a lot, so you can't really use that on the shorter-term timeframes. On the 4-hourly, we're getting a bounce. Looks like inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hourly charts. Shoulder, inverse head and shoulder forming here. If that plays out, we should get. If this will be great because then it will invalidate the bigger time frame head and shoulders with an inverse head and shoulders. If this plays out, the move would take us to 77,000. Actually, no. 77,176. Beautiful. I'll try and catch this inverse head and shoulders with the long off that low 64K just recently. Let's go closer on the hourly. You can see it clearer on the hourly, right? Now you can see it more clearly. Inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head. If this shoulder forms, we've got an inverse head and shoulders on Bitcoin. That would take us to $77,000. That's the short-term trade I would take on Bitcoin. And then if you catch this, if that plays out well, then you can leave that trade open, not just the 70. I would take from here, from the support, tight stop loss. Actually, I would make the stop loss a bit more in case it wicks out. If that plays out, then we go 77K, 88K would be a target. And then there's a bigger overall target at 115K, which is a giant cup and handle that's forming on Bitcoin. You can see it on the longer term timeframes. A huge cup and handle has formed on Bitcoin. That goes back to the 2021 bull market. If that plays out, 115K would be the target. So that's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Opening at, let's make stop loss a little bit more, at 64,600. Stop loss 64,000. Take profit 77,000, 87,000, 115,000. Risk to reward 85 times. Risking $595 to make $51,180 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $511,000 of profits. That trade would open at 64,600. Stop loss 64,000. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, I'm going to show you my $800,000 account. Under the video, go down below. Sign up to Bybit. That's where we all do our trading. Use this link to join the Guru Traders. You get a $30,000 bonus when you meet their trading requirements and you join us in the same trading group. And that's how you have to, if you join that link, you can make sure you join this link. I'm going to give another $1,000 away tomorrow, so make sure you use that link to sign up, everyone. 2, take the crypto master course and all the courses. If you haven't taken the courses, you're gambling. 3, join us in the Telegram once you've taken the courses, so you know everything. You don't need to ask questions that are already answered in the courses. And if you think I'm trying to sell you a $333 course for my own, just for me, this account is $817,000 in the last 30 days, up from $604,000. So I made $213,000 on this account in the last month. Last 90 days, up from $476,000. So I made like $300,000 in the last 3 months. I'm holding Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin. I'm holding 18 Ethereum spot. I'm holding 57,000 Doge, 53,000 MCT, 47,000 Pocket, 32,000 Uni. and WorldCoin. I've got buy orders down for Ethereum in spot, World, Bitcoin, and I'm also going to set buy orders for Uni. I've got a trade open on Ethereum. If you saw 2 days ago, it's now $14,000 in the profits. It's a 60 Ethereum trade, and I've got a 4 Bitcoin trade, $6,000 in the profits. If you saw my videos, I opened those 2 days ago, so $20,000 on those trades, which is beautiful. And over on Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter. 85,300 followers. This was $550,000 Bitcoin trade, Doge, Ethereum. Money laundering has become the same trope as national security. Thanks, man. Most welcome. He made $289. I've got a gift for X followers. Use code 10X Gains for 10% off discount off the courses. James can literally tell the future. It's just technical analysis. You can all learn this. And I wanted to show you, MCRT we are proud to be featured as #1 blockchain game with growing addresses, beating big time Gala Games, Katana Inu, Sidus Games, and if you followed them, they're massive market caps. Health, wealth, friends, family, fun, peace, kindness, charity, smile as much as your mouth allows before getting tired, walking every day, Ayurveda, learn about them. OKX has announced the end of support for Indian users. It's crazy, they're pulling out of the markets because of regulation. Remember, vote out any politicians that block your freedom. If your bank is telling you where you can spend your money and you're not allowed to spend it on crypto, leave that bank, take your money out, spend with your money, control it with your money. If a politician is saying you can't have your freedoms to invest and move your money wherever you want, you can't trade crypto, vote them out of politics. Politicians are meant to serve you, not take your freedoms away. Never forget this. 22 hours later, Ethereum and Bitcoin pulled back a bit, but the trades were at 32,000. And you can just see the things that I share on Twitter, which is beautiful. Now let's quickly go into Ethereum. I want to check out my beautiful Ethereum trade and what it's going to tell us. On the technicals, Ethereum, 3,461. Not much of a pullback. Also seeing inverse head and shoulders on the 1 hour forming. Target would be 4,000. V-shaped recovery on that drop also. Did this trade did it activate yesterday? I had the trade 3,406 and we came down to 3,412. Missed it by $6. I would keep the same trade open for Ethereum, opening at 3,406. And stop loss 3,345 and take profit at 6,200, risk reward 46 times, which is beautiful. Over in Telegram, don't forget to join us. There's 102 of you online, all chatting together, and you can see people sharing charts. A lot of these people have already taken the courses. Ooh, someone showing a drop potentially on Bitcoin. So make sure, this guy made $49,000 on his P&L, which is beautiful. Congratulations. These are all live right now. There's 102 of you chatting inside the Telegram. So go in there, join, discuss with everyone, and which is beautiful. And there's many languages in here. Try to keep it in English, everyone. Thank you for watching. That's my updates in the market. Again, take the courses, take the crypto master course so you learn all this, and make sure you sign up with that link because I'm going to be giving away that $1,000 I think the day after tomorrow because I'm doing some stuff right now. Thank you for watching, everyone, but make sure you sign up to Bybit, and I'll also give away more giveaways on Twitter. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.